Alrighty, let's talk Jake Maddock because it is currently filling my feed both on TikTok and Instagram. For those that don't know, Jake Maddock is or was a relationship coach, and essentially it's starting to come out now that he's essentially scammed a whole heap of people, took their money, didn't provide the services or provide a portion of the services, and then just cut them off without warning. And obviously, no refunds have been provided, among other various claims of kind of deceptive conduct that's coming out. There is a few things I want to touch on as a dispute lawyer, or at least my opinion from a dispute lawyer perspective. The first one is how the courts will determine whether the services have been rendered. Because the coaching in itself or consulting in itself, without any clear scope of works, objectives, or KPIs, is very vague and it's really open ended. So it'd be interesting to see how the courts will interpret that. Naturally, in circumstances where he's made representations or taken payment and just not provided the services or provided part thereof, the Australian consumer law would apply, allowing these parties to commence proceedings to seek a refund or also damages. Naturally, if there is a large amount, it may be that a class action is brought. We'll have to wait and see on that one. I think the unfortunate thing is with circumstances like this is that he was probably aware that this day would be coming, and he's probably taken steps to protect his assets. And if he's gotten advice during this time, it may be that if all these proceedings are commenced, that he simply just goes bankrupt. And unfortunately, that leaves those people, or the victims, I should say, in an unfortunate situation of fighting over what they potentially could get from the bankrupt estate, which, unless you're a secured creditor, is not a significant amount. It will be interesting to see how this develops and kind of if these claims do prove truthful, which I'm obviously not disputing at this stage. It's just obviously as a lawyer, we always wait to see the evidence. But it will be interesting to see how this case develops or if anything does actually eventuate out of this.